Imagine yourself in this 2019 Kia Sorento. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, 290 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, AC power outlet, 1, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.